started asking about politics, and the verse of scripture that came to my mind was Psalm 33:12, and it says, "Blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord." Nations and leaders who counsel within themselves or together but exclude the Lord will be of no value. This will be a time where the evidence of God's kingdom will be more clear on the earth. The leaders and nations that seek his voice will appear clever, wise, and nimble. They will also become a target. NATO will split between the few and the many. The few will appear smaller in number, yet will be blessed. The many will be boisterous and loud, but unfruitful. The extreme separation that will occur will be like the tearing of a piece of cloth. There is a pulling apart that looks painful during the pulling, but in the end, there's two separate pieces. Like a mother who gives birth, there's pain in the birthing process, but joy when the baby arrives. The process in the middle is unto something and is not for naught, but for the separation to occur and the extreme ends to be evident and identified.